Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix the Bluetooth pairing issues in your SOUNDCORE aeroFit Pro. Actually, the first thing that I would recommend doing is to check if your phone is in default. Try turning off and on the Bluetooth, try restarting your device. This should help you, but if it doesn't, we have to fix the headphones itself. So here now, try to charge your headphones up to 100% and check if they will work. If they aren't working still, we have to open the case lid and hold this button over here for at least 10 seconds. Just like push it downwards. And after that, this 10 seconds is just the factory reset method. After this time, these headphones will be factory resetted and they will be good to go because all the settings will be resetted. This is a very, very common troubleshooting thing. And this should fix your issue. But if it didn't, what I'd recommend doing is to contact device support because your device may be broken. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.